In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use layout pages on Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine. To get started, open your web browser and log into your Squarespace account. This is the point where you will access the specific site you are working on, so make sure you are logged into the correct account and using the right workspace. Once you are in, you are ready to move from General Site Management into the Page Editor, where layout pages and sections work. Next, open the Pages panel and select your page. In the Squarespace dashboard, the Pages area is usually where you see all of your existing pages, like your home page, contact page, or any other page you have created. Choose the page where you want to use the Fluid Engine layout. Take a moment to confirm you selected the correct page name, since editing the wrong one can lead to confusion later. After selecting the right page, click Edit on the page. This loads the editor for that specific page, which is where you will make the layout changes. You should now see the page canvas along with editing tools. If the page editor looks slightly different depending on your theme or version, that is normal, but the general editing flow remains the same. Now you will click Add Section. Think of a section as a container that helps organize content on your page. Instead of squeezing everything into one area, sections let you build a structured page. When you click Add Section, Squarespace will bring up options for how you want to create that new area. From here, select a layout or choose Blank Section. If you want a faster setup, a layout option can provide a ready-made structure for common designs. If you prefer full control, choose Blank Section so you can build the section exactly how you want. Either choice is fine, and the rest of the process will let you customize the details to match your page. Once the section is added, you will drag and drop blocks to position them anywhere on the grid. This is the core benefit of the Fluid Engine workflow, because blocks are not locked into a rigid structure. Instead, you can place elements where they fit visually. As you move blocks around, watch the alignment guides and grid behavior so your content stays neat and intentional. After positioning the blocks, you will resize blocks using the handles on the edges. This lets you adjust spacing and proportions, which is especially helpful when you have images, text blocks, or other media that need specific sizing. You may see small corner or edge handles that appear when a block is selected. Resize carefully and keep an eye on how the section looks overall, because resizing one block can change the visual balance of the section. Finally, click Save. Saving is an important step because it confirms that your layout changes, block placements, and sizes are stored for your live site. Before you leave the editor, take a quick look at the page to make sure everything appears as expected. When you are ready, saving completes the process and keeps your work safe. And that covers everything you need to know. You have successfully added a section, selected a layout or blank starting point, placed and arranged blocks on the grid, resized them using the handles, and saved your changes. That is all there is to it.